Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create account in WWE 2K26 game. So without wasting any time, let's follow the steps. So open Chrome and in Google search for 2K portal and then open this website portal.2k.com. And when you open this website, you will see this screen. Click on sign up. And then you can see there are lots of options to create your account. You can continue with Google, Apple, Steam, Epic Games, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Discord, Twitch, Facebook, and X website. So there are lots of options that you can continue with, and you can also sign up with email. So if you want to sign up with email, then click on sign up with email option and then enter your country and then enter your date of birth, for example, and then click on continue, and then you have to enter your email ID and then confirm your email ID, enter your password, whatever password you want to generate. These are the conditions to create a password. So just create a password and then confirm your password, then enter your first name, last name, and then enter your display name, and then check mark I agree 2K terms of service. Also check mark I have read and understand 2K privacy policy. And this is a optional. If you like to receive news and promotional message from 2K, then you can tick mark this or you can leave it. This is a optional. And after tick marking these two options, then click on sign up, and then you will get a verification email. So open your email ID and verify the account, and that's it. So by following these steps, I hope you can easily create an account in WWE 2K26 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.